Hi guys, good day. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'm here now with Miss Universe Philippines Sultan Kudarat, Chelsea Fernandez. Hi Chelsea!
Hello po, magandang umaga!
Ayun, sige batiin mo muna ang mga fans and supporters mo na nanonood ngayon.
Oh my God! Hello to everyone who is watching right now. And kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope that you are all doing well.
You really surprised us, dear. What made you decide to accept this opportunity?
Of course, yeah, surprise. Na-surprise ka din.
Yes.
Of course, I took this chance because this is really a dream. And now that probinsya ng Sultan Kudarat is going to support me all out, of course, who am I to turn down this blessing? This is a great opportunity for me, not just for the Sultan Kudarat province, but for everyone. And now that I am here in Miss Universe Philippines, I will never take advantage of this chance, of this opportunity. And of course, I will give everything that I have.
Ayan, this is just a clarification, dear. So, since you've been joining a lot of pageants and representing Tacloban cities, but now Sultan Kudarat, so
ano nangyari?
Yes, paano nangyari?
That is for sure. A lot of people are also asking, and even the Taclobanon people, they're also shocked, of course, and they're questioning why. But I actually born in Tacorong City, province of Sultan Kudarat. And from time to time, nag-visit din naman ako sa province. Hindi lang talaga ako nag-join ng pageant there because I keep on joining in my city, which is Tacloban. But yes, I have so many relatives in Tacorong City, specifically. And yun lang po, to clarify, I was born in Tacorong City, province of Sultan Kudarat. And they gave me the chance to represent the province. So again, sino ba naman ako to decline the offer? And yeah, I think this is just a great way for me para makabalik naman ng, alam mo yun, parang, kasi syempre doon ako, unang tumibok yung puso ko. Doon ako pinanganak. So I think, ano lang to, parang give them the chance to Sultan Kudarat to represent.
Of course, and ang sarap ng pakiramdam na to represent, of course, your hometown to sa kapinanganak,
yes,
di ba? Alright, dear. So, how was your Miss Universe Philippines journey so far?
Oh my God! As of right now, I'm still over the moon. I love being here. I love the organization. And most importantly, I love the friendship that I am creating right now. Sobrang sasaya ng girls. Ang bait, very respectful. And again, I'm just so excited for everything that is going to happen in the future. And I'm excited to share everything to all of you.
Ayun, dear. Let's talk about the press presentation. How was your experience so far?
Masaya din po talaga, and I hope everyone like my suit. I know medyo madami ring opinions about it, but one thing is for sure, I'm gonna give everything pa sa mga dadating na mga competition namin and events. And yes, I'm so excited about this journey ahead.
And I think given a short time,
yes, very short time lang kasi parang nagkaroon kami ng sashing ceremony on February 12, and then the next day nagkaroon na din kami ng meeting with the lawyers of Miss Universe Philippines, and the next day nagkaroon naman ng press presentation. So very short time lang, and feeling ko naman na pull off natin yon. And syempre sana abangan pa ng lahat ng mga fans ng Miss Universe Philippines yung mga competition and activities namin upcoming.
And syempre, this is Chelsea, diba? Always prepared, diba? Kahit short time preparation.
Yes,
diba?
we have to be prepared, especially now that we are in Miss Universe.
Talking to your trainings naman, dear, how was it?
Oh, well, we started my Q&A trainings na for now, pero wala pa yung mga passerella and of course makeup trainings, and of course we have to be ready and mag-focus din tayo. But yes, I am happy to announce that I am having now the Q&A session.
And how about the partnership of Miss Universe Philippines and Wendy's Philippines?
Oh,
what are your expectations?
Yes, very bongga. Kasi ngayon, Wendy's and Miss Universe Philippines is partnering. So, syempre, more food.
Alright, sige, message na lang to your MUPage sisters.
To my MUPH sisters, I cannot wait to have fun with all of you, especially in April, kasi may pupuntahan kami, and abangan na lang din nyo yan. So, of course, all of my MUPH sisters, I hope that we'll just have fun in this competition and give our best to represent the places that we are representing.
Thank you so much, dear, and best of
Thank you,
luck.
Paul.